Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by narrowing who you serve. Build 3 clear personas with demographics and core problems. Once done, map where each persona spends attention and list 5 specific platforms or places. Then choose one primary channel to test immediately and commit to consistent outreach for 2 weeks. This avoids scatter. Make sure to set a single measurable goal for that test, like 100 leads or a 5% conversion, so you know whether to scale or iterate. Now you shift into rapid experiments. Run 2 small tests per persona, vary headlines, creatives, or offers to learn fast. Make sure to collect CTR, conversion rate, and a quick quality check on leads in a simple spreadsheet so trends appear. Once you see a winning combo, increase spend or reach incrementally while tightening audience filters using interests, behaviors, or search terms. If results stall, iterate creative first, then targeting. This prioritizes what changes outcome most quickly. To finish, scale successful tests gradually, boost budget by 20 to 50% weekly, and watch for diminishing returns. Once performance is steady, create lookalike audiences or expand reach with adjacent segments, but keep measuring customer quality. If performance drops, troubleshoot in this order: landing page relevance, message audience mismatch, then creative fatigue. Make sure to run one clear counter test at a time so you know which fix worked. This prevents chasing false positives and preserves your learnings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.